Hello everyone, myself Vans Namdev and today I am here to introduce my video on COVID-19 effect in two states, Uttarakhand and Karnataka in my art integration biology project. This is a golden opportunity for me to present on your behalf, so let's start. Uttarakhand, formerly known as Uttaranchal, is a state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the Devbhumi, literally land of gods, due to numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. Uttarakhand is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas and Babar and the Terai region. 92,842 people are so far affected in Uttarakhand by novel coronavirus COVID-19. 86,737 out of 92,842 have recorded. Sadly, 1,555 patients have died due to coronavirus in Uttarakhand. 33,009 patients are still in hospital and recovering. The last record case of coronavirus in Uttarakhand was 17 minutes ago. Below is the list of sources from which data is aggregated into a crowdsourced patient database, along with some note on travel history and suspected contraction from another patient, if any. All data is verified by a group of volunteers at COVID-19india.organization after aggregating from various district and state level health bulletins and other reliable sources. The maximum hospital charge for per day of admission has been set at Rs 18,000, including the cost of PPE kit at Rs 2,000 for patients with every severe sickness, mandating ICU facility with ventilator care, invasive, non-invasive for hospitals aggregated from the National Accreditation Board of Hospital NABH, while for non-NABH accredited hospitals the cost has been set at Rs 15,000, including the cost of PPE at Rs 2,000. The minimum per day rate is set at Rs 10,000 at NABH hospital for moderating sick COVID patients, while non-NABH accredited hospital can charge a minimum of Rs 8,000 from a patient in the same category. The cost includes isolation bed, including supportive care and oxygen supply. COVID cases in Uttarakhand. Confirmed cases 92,366. Active cases 3,717. Recovered patients 85,883. Deaths 1,544. Karnataka is a state in the southwestern region of India. It is the largest state in South India and seventh largest state in India. It was formed on 1 November 1956 with the passage of the State Recognition Act. Originally known as the state of Mysore, it was renamed Karnataka in 1973. The state corresponds to the Karnataka region. The capital and largest city is Bangalore. 9,24,898 people are so far affected in Karnataka by novel coronavirus COVID-19. 9,36,029 out of 9,24,898 have recovered. Sadly, 12,131 patients have died due to coronavirus in Karnataka. 9,119 patients are still in hospital and recovering. The last recorded case of coronavirus in Karnataka was 24. The Karnataka government on Tuesday fixed the rate for COVID-19 treatment in private hospitals. The rates ranging from 5,200 to 25,000 depending on the category and severity of infection is both for ABARK patients and other insurance cash paying patients. In an order issued on Tuesday, the state government said 50% of beds in private hospitals having facilities to treat COVID-19 patients should be reserved for patients referred from the public health authorities. while the rate per day for general ward has been fixed at 5200 for ABARK patients and 10,000 for other insurance and cash patients. The rate for ward with oxygen has been fixed at 7,000 for ABARK and 12,000 for other insurance and cash payments patients. Total COVID cases in Karnataka. Confirmed cases 9,24,898. Active cases 9,119. Recovered 9,03,629. Total death cases 12,131.